Hello class 12. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 12, microbes in human welfare. Now today's topic in this chapter is microbes in industries. In previous video we studied about the microbes in household products, and now today I am going to start with this microbes in industries. As you know, in the industrial process, microbes in fact represent as a mini chemical factory. Microbes as mini chemical factory. Okay, in industries, microbes in fact represent a mini chemical factory. The efficiency of this factory depend upon the liberation of the large amount of the single product, and may be efficiently isolated and purified. Production of an industrial scale requires growing microbes in very large vessels called fermenters. ठीक है, इंडस्ट्रीज में जहाँ पे हम माइक्रोब्स को ग्रो कराएंगे, दैट इज अ बिग वेसल्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्मेंटर्स. And the commercial product made by the microbes include medicine, organic acid, amino acid, and enzymes, alcohol, organic solvent, and synthetic fuel. Okay, now in recent year, microbes have been found to be a great potential in the recovery of metal. रिसेंट ईयर में अब हम माइक्रोब से ये वाला वर्क भी हम इनमें इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं कि वो मेटल को रिकवर करते हैं, एंड फ्रॉम द ओर्स थ्रू बायोलीचिंग एंड रिकवरिंग ऑफ पेट्रोल ठीक है, रिकवरी ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन प्रोडक्शन. Understand it? Now microbes, the commercial products may be medicines, include in the industries by the with the help of microbes. Medicine, organic acid, amino acid, enzymes, alcohol, organic and synthetic fuels are the commercial product from the industries. And now in recent years, microbes have been found to be a great potential in the recovery of metals from the through ores or through bioleaching, and recovery of petrol and the production of the single cell protein. Okay, and microbes in industries is also called the mini chemical factory, and it forms a single product, and the vessels in which we culture the microbes is called big vessels are called fermenters. Okay, now first we start with this medicine, from the field of medicine or from the pharmaceutical industry. First one, that is medicines and pharmaceuticals, and microbes are used in the manufacture of the several medicine. The first one is ergot. Prepared from the fungus. क्या नाम है इस फंगस का? दैट इज यूएस फंगस. क्लेविसेप्स purpurea, and it is induced uterine contraction of abortion for abortion. क्या फंक्शन है दिस ergot का? यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में हेल्प करता है ergot इज अ मेडिसिन नेम. ठीक है, वी फॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फंगस क्लेविसेप्स purpurea, help in the uterine contraction, menstrual disorder, and to check hemorrhages and menstrual disorder, and check hemorrhages. Now second medicine in the field of medicine and pharmaceutical, that is ephedrine. Ephedrine, second medicine, It's synthesized from the benzaldehyde by the activity of yeast. ठीक है, ये फंगस से बनता है, ये किससे बनता है? ईस्ट, बाय द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द बेंजेल्डिहाइड. Benzaldehyde, and by the activity of the yeast, and it is used for the treatment of the asthma. It is used in the treatment of asthma and nasal trouble, okay, in the field of treatment of asthma and nasal trouble. Okay, and say third one is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A. Okay, cyclosporin A. It is a immunosuppressive agent. It is a immunosuppressive agent. इम्यून सिस्टम को क्या कर देता है? सप्रेस कर देता है. एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ द ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट हम इसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं. सपोज इन द केस ऑफ किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट, तो हमारी बॉडी का ये इम्यून सिस्टम को सप्रेस कर देते हैं, तो बॉडी इजीली किडनी को रिसीव कर पाती है, एंड किडनी हमारी बॉडी को अडेप्ट कर लेती है डोनर की किडनी. ठीक है, दैट इज इन किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट. Okay, act as a immunosuppressive agent in the kidney transplant. It produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Fungus. It is also produced by the fungus. Fungus name is Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Okay. And it is by the fungus, and name of the fungus is Trichoderma polysporum. It is an immunosuppressive agent and help in a kidney transplant. And third one, D1, is statin, produced by the yeast. Statin is also produced by the yeast. D1, that is statins, and it is produced by the yeast. Name of the yeast is Monascus. Purpureus, and are used in the blood cholesterol lowering agent. Act as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. It acts as a competitively inhibiting the enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. ठीक है, जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल सिंथेसाइज करने में एंजाइम हेल्प करता है, ये उसकी एक्टिविटी को सप्रेस कर देता है, दैट इज स्टैटिन. ठीक है, इट इज we occur from the yeast. It helps in the formation of the it helps in the lowering the blood cholesterol level. and कैसे करता है? वो जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल को बनाने के लिए जो एंजाइम हेल्पफुल होता है, ये उसकी एक्टिविटी को कम करता है, ये स्टैटिन. ठीक है, हम इसको कैसे बनाते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईस्ट, Monascus purpureus. and E1, that is steroids. As you know, steroids, microbial biotransformation of steroid is very important in the medical industries. Steroids are used in the treatment of the several disorders and involved in the regulation of the sexuality. Cortisones are prepared by the fermentation of the glycoside plant by the mold-like Rhizopus and Aspergillus niger and species of Fusarium and Neurospora. Okay. It helps in the treatment of the several disorders involved in the regulation of the sexuality also. And antibiotics, and EF is antibiotics. Penicillin, big name. Antibiotics, that is, anti means against, bio means life. Against the microbial life are chemical substances which are produced by some microbes and kill to retard the growth of the other microbes. It is produced by microbes, produced by microbes and kill microbes, produced by microbes and kill microbes. ठीक है, एंटीबायोटिक्स क्या होती हैं? प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय माइक्रोब्स, माइक्रोब्स इनको बनाता है और काम क्या करती है? किल माइक्रोब्स. ओके, एंड पेनिसिलिन इज द फर्स्ट वन. Penicillin was the first one and first antibiotic to be discovered by the Alexander Fleming while working on the Streptococcus bacteria. And next one is cephalosporin is a type of antibiotic. First one is penicillin. Second antibiotic is cephalosporins and third one is griseofulvin. And fourth one is streptomycin. Mycin and tetracycline also. Fifth one is tetracyclines. Okay, cyclines are the five. And chloromycetin, erythromycin, polymyxin and bactericin also in your syllabus, but five are basic, that is penicillin, cephalosporin, griseofulvin, streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin, polymyxin and bactericin.